All right, guys. This is what I'm doing. Hi there. It's sprinkling, but I'm heading down to a lake. Yes, sir. I'm heading through the mountains. This is Lake Siskiyou. They've cut a lot of trees down. But the rain is falling. Yeah, the rain is falling. And we're going to go see some beautiful water and peace and serenity. We all need that. We all need peace, serenity, a reset. And when you get out in nature, you can have that reset. Nature is calling us all. And it will do magical things. So today is that day I decided to enter into this realm 56 years ago. Yeah. Come on, y'all. Get your butt outside. We're all interconnected, and it's important to recognize and realize that. 56, all new tricks. In that healing mix. Be well, friend.